Good afternoon, everybody, and good morning. Good morning for our friends in the US, in Canada. Good evening to everyone who is listening us right now from the Asian part. How are you guys doing today? So we are here looking at the gold chart. What's the view on the gold today? What's going on? The markets are very good today, actually. So, gold on the hourly time frame. If we start from the beginning of the session today, the market opened there, it went up. So during the Asian session, the price rallied. Sideways during London. So this is the overall picture. So basically we will be looking to see if the price will break this trend line now. Now that trend line has been broken. Price made higher highs, higher lows here, higher highs, higher lows. Now the trend line tested at the top. This one here, it broke. At this high, low, high. So this can be an area. This can become an area. I like this one here. Potential buys here. On the 15-minute time frame, the price is trying to break below this low. Wow, look at Nasdaq here. Look at these guys on the Nasdaq. How nicely the price came down to this level. And rejected immediately. Make sure your trading platforms are ready. So Nasdaq on the higher time frame. Nasdaq on the 4-hour chart. Strong bearish momentum and strong support sitting down there. Moving on the hourly. Yeah, on the hourly is not a double bottom. But yeah, it can push the price a little bit high. I like this area here from the 1-hour chart. 15 minute. On the 15-minute chart and on the 5-minute chart we have this nice structure. Let's wait until this 5-minute candlestick close. We can throw this down there. If you guys see anything on the chart that is worth looking, just let me know and I will throw the analysis here. So based on this one, the price makes lower lows and lower highs. It's still in a downtrend. We don't know if the buyers will step in to control the price. There is a lot of aggression in the market now. The volatility is high, guys. Look at on the 5-minute chart, 35 pips move. It's too much for 5-minute chart, but we are at the open and the markets are super volatile this week, and they're gonna keep being very volatile this week. What do you guys see here? The price is dropping. One of the best ways to trade the market is following the trend. Beside that inside candlestick, the market is still in a downtrend here. Let's see how this move will end. Now, the fact that the price stopped right here and it might attract a lot of buyers, it's another story. what news we have today. So the ADP non-farm employment reported lower than the forecast, 22K. In 20 minutes, 18 minutes actually, ISM services PMI expected to drop, so that can be very bullish, guys, for Nasdaq and for the gold. So let's keep that. I'll put this aside for now. And we want to see some negative outcome on the dollar part. Do you think the price will make a higher high here? What do you guys think? Do you think let's check the gold. Whoa. Gold. This potential buys is from this hourly chart where this fair value gap matches with a 61.8 Fibonacci. And that's the 15-minute time frame. The market is aggressive again. For buys, we need to see some reversal price actions here. So far, the market makes lower lows, lower highs. There is no bulling pressure or buying aggression here. Just going through between Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq doesn't know what it wants here, to be honest. What did you trade today, guys? Anyone got any trade yet? Bitcoin is around 75,000 now. Okay. Lower lows, consolidation, but inside candlesticks. We do expect the price to move down. Solana, I liked this $95 area here, and I bought some Solana for my investment portfolio at this price. If it's gonna drop further, I have some buy orders again to be executed on the exchange. So if you are building your portfolio with cryptos, Solana will be worth keeping an eye on. Nasdaq, is it bouncing or what? Interesting. So now for Nasdaq, we need to see the price outside of this area. Gold is trying to recover. We need to see some price action reversals, something here, or at least change in the market structure from lower lows and lower highs to higher highs and higher lows, exactly as I teach inside my course. Same thing, market structure is the king. If the price makes a higher high here, this will be considered as the non-failure swing low. As the failure swing low, not the non-failure. This area here. But first the price has to move away from this high. Just by sitting there is not enough. Now we are in business. Now we are talking about it. Now we can start talking about this thing. What time is it? Potential buys here. We want to see the follow through. What do you think, guys? What do you think on gold? Is it going to go up? So technically on the 1 minute chart, the price can push to the upside to fill up some retracements on the higher time frame. Euro is going up. Gold and euro are not highly correlated on the lower time frames, but From the commodity side, gold is highly correlated with the euro. If the US dollar drops and on the forex market, the euro will show the weakness, very obvious. Also, gold on the commodities will show the same thing. Let's check the 5 minutes on gold. Okay, so now what we have to be careful is this part here. I don't see this inside as much, but I do see the 61.8. This is what I see, guys, here. That's an important area. Okay, let's keep an eye on that. Nasdaq is going down big time. Big time. Maybe buyers will pick up at this point and they will push the price further up. Personally, I just want to see one push up on the Nasdaq and one push up on the gold. That's all what I want to see. I want to see the gold at 61.8, so the technicals will be very much aligned. And this is better if it's going to happen before the news announcement here. So 4 minutes, guys, for the news. 4 minutes. We are just 4 minutes away. What do you think about the news today? This one here. What do you guys think about this one? Do you think that the US dollar will advance? Thanks for your support, GP. Best stream in YouTube so far. We are waiting 1 minute to go to find out what will be the outcome of these ISM services. What I want to show you guys here is that let's start with Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq. Here the market is in a downtrend. Yes, we marked this area that we said that buyers might step in and change the direction, but the direction of the market will always change when the market structure changes. Okay. Now, when you try to do some scalping or buying the support, you must always learn, or at least you have to learn, how to move your stop loss accordingly with the price so you protect your account. Okay, this is a fundamental part of scalping, especially around the open. If you do day trading, it's more for those that do day trading instead of scalping. It's appropriate to use to just trade with a trend. And if you were trading with a trend here, you will have been just selling, not buying, obviously. I don't know. I mean, I don't think there is someone doing day trading and trading against the main trend. If you consider a main trend that it's your hourly or 15 minutes and you execute on lower time frame, yeah. But again, there you need the skills to understand when the market is about to shift on the lower time frames. Anyhow, Nasdaq is going down. Also, gold is going down. Gold actually rejected. I thought it's going to reject it somewhere around 61.8 because I liked really that cluster with the inside resistance. But okay, it didn't happen. It happened at 50% retracement, so that's okay. I didn't buy here because I didn't like the price action structure, okay? But this is what I mean, guys. If you consider that, let's say I consider the hourly as the higher time frame and I want to trade with the hourly direction, I just jump down to the 15-minute or 5-minute chart to find some weakness at that level. How cool is that? This is what I teach inside my Discord community. I can show you here in the Discord. So basically, in the Discord community, guys, I have this. So once you join, you can access, you're going to get to the get access announcement. It's going to be here. If you want to know who am I have here who am I as a trader with all my certificates here be shown. And yeah, then you get into the market chat. It's very simple community, okay? It's just built to serve trading purpose and nothing more. No fancy stuff, okay? So market chart, everything about the markets. I regularly post things, okay? And if you want to have access to me on a daily basis, then you will jump to the VIP members where I post the setups, but I explain what I see there, okay? And also you can have some access to a trading course, complete trading course. Okay, all links are on the descriptions. Potential buys. This level is still holding. On Nasdaq, the market continues the downtrend. So what do we have here? The price made a lower low. It's a strong level to break. Yeah, it is a strong level. I'll just take out these ones. What do I see now on Nasdaq? This is a key support level. I don't trust this one that much. There are a lot of noise here. If the price takes over on Nasdaq, this fair value gap, if the price bounces off when it moves to the upside, after we break above this high, we will skyrocket to the next level. Trend is your friend. And of course, if you are trading with prop firms, yeah, and you're gonna buy any challenges, make sure you use the discount code Theo at the checkout at PropXP website, so you can get the 20% discount, which is the current one. I like this gold structure. I don't know why, but I start liking it. Oh, Solana is down 5%. And I just bought Solana today, guys. Solana, I believe it's going to bounce. It's going to bounce off quite fast and easily, because inside all these inside candlesticks, followed by this breakout, leaving behind this fair value gap, and this fair value gaps here. Up. So the price at some point will come to test them. So I have a couple of multiple orders sitting. The one got executed at $95. Now I'm waiting for the $78 to buy a little bit more and build up the positions accordingly. The reason I prefer, maybe you are wondering why did I choose Solana over Bitcoin. I'll show you why. Because Solana, at first I know the correlation. Second, Solana was much weaker than the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still hovering around this low, so it can go sideways, or it can bounce also faster. But because Solana was weaker and I bought without leverage, it's on my benefit to buy the weakest one because it's already much more discounted, if that makes sense. And gold. Euro versus the US dollar. Let's throw an analysis on the euro. What am I watching here? If I was about to trade the euro, first I would have been waiting for further retracement. The weekly chart is down. This shooting star can definitely push the price further down. Key level is that inside support. So we're gonna move it right there to be more relevant to the current price. I like that it's quite good technical, this one. It has a good structure. Nasdaq is coming back, it's bouncing off. Retracement here. It's the first time in this session we see a bullish candle that is bigger compared to any other bullish candle since the cash market open. How deep was this retracement? 50%. On gold, the buyers didn't step in aggressively. That means most likely the trend will continue down, guys. What do you think about this one now? We want some clear. We want more clarity on this one, or we can short it. If you short it right now, the question is where would you place your stop loss? I think that Nasdaq is more clear than the gold now. That's Bitcoin. If I ask you guys, which one do you prefer, gold or Euro USD? So from Yahoo Finance, we see here, let's read some news. SpaceX mega merge boosts the Musk trade. Amazon plans to use AI to speed up TV and film production. Trump and China, he hold call ahead of expected meeting. Gold rebounds above 5,000 as sharp retreat lures deep buyers. That's what we show on the chart before. PayPal. Yesterday I made a post inside the yesterday or 2 days ago. Let me see here. Was it yesterday? Market chart. Yeah, this one here. I posted that one. Is PayPal going out of business or what? This is what I post in the community. Okay. I will show you on the chart why I said that. Impact of new Fed chair on markets and economy. Did you guys know that? Did you have an idea? Why I said yesterday that is PayPal going out of business or what? Because on the on the bigger scale, okay, since 2015, 11 years ago, we have the data showing on here. PayPal's price was around $33, and today is $40, 41. Looks like that tulip. There is a chart that the tulip boom back in, I think, 19 something. So it looks like PayPal is is not doing well here. If you zoom out, guys, and you see a little bit the bigger picture on the Nasdaq, I want to show you something that many people don't understand it. When Nasdaq, despite the year, but when Nasdaq used to trade it at, and this is a good way to help you learn how to understand overall market sentiment. So Nasdaq was traded around 7,700, sorry, around around 7,000. This high here is that high here, there. So Nasdaq on the right column, you can see it was around 7,000. And the RSI, it registered 84, the number 84. Fast forward, Nasdaq rallied to 26,000 and the RSI is at 55. Every time Nasdaq was making a new high, the RSI literally could follow. So what is going on right here is combined with strong negative divergences, and that can be devastating. Unless the RSI sales often becomes oversold down there and Nasdaq just comes to test this area, then we're going to have another healthy impulsive upward move that can last, let's say, some years or some significant time. This is one of the reasons many analysts are talking and market experts are talking about the AI booming stuff. So you enhance your knowledge, that's all. So on the 15-minute chart, Nasdaq is trying to rebound from here, so I just want to see the price in this kind of retracement with a kind of cluster before shorting this one. Gold is resuming the downtrend. I'm very bearish on gold, guys, now. If we're going to have an increased volatility in the market and the liquidity remains good, we can see today gold anywhere around these levels here. There it is. We are in business. Come on, let's do this. So the downtrend resumed at 50% retracement. So those that were watching the live since the first moment, they saw that the price start here, stopped. Potential buys was somewhere there, but then we commented that if the price failed to push through right here, then definitely the price it's going to be driven by sellers in this session, and that's what is happening. Okay guys, I think I will end the webinar, the live session now. Let's stay focused on gold. If you're gonna stay around, maybe we're gonna see some good continuation moves. Also Nasdaq, maybe it's gonna push down from the 61.8 or somewhere above here where this inside resistance is, around 78.6. So thanks for tuning in. I wish you a great trading day ahead. And as usual, I will see you at the live tomorrow, same time. Bye everyone.